Astronomy is the branch of science that deals with celestial objects, space, and the physical universe as a whole. As you can see, these are the planets that make up our solar system. As you look at them, you can already notice some various characteristics of each. There are a total of 9. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and finally, some Pluto. If you have not heard lately, there's been a lot of discussion on whether or not Pluto was considered a planet. As stated by NASA, Pluto is called a dwarf planet today. A dwarf planet orbits the sun just like all the other planets, but is just a tad bit smaller. Please watch this animated video.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
I know that the video was very animated and corny, but it is a very effective movie clip. It is on repeat and can be very catchy to listen to. But anyways, here's some information on some planets. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, but yet the smallest planet in the solar system. It is the second hottest planet behind the Sun, and due to its proximity to the Sun, it's very hard to visit. Another planet is Venus. Venus is the second closest to the Sun and the second brightest object in the night sky, right after the Moon. Venus is considered to be Earth's sister planet due to its similar size. The next is Earth. Earth is the third planet closest to the Sun and the only planet not named after a Greek Roman deity. It has a powerful magnetic field and has the greatest density. Up next is Mars. Mars is known as the red planet due to its reddish appearance. It has large dust storms that can last up to months and end up covering the entire planet. Another planet that is very interesting is Jupiter. Jupiter is 2.5 more massive than any other planets. It is a very thin ring system that is mainly dust particles, but what is most interesting is 9 hours and 55 minutes is considered 1 day on Jupiter. Saturn, which is the 6th planet, is the most distant planet that can be seen. It is the flattest and most famously known for its ring system that is made up of chunks of ice and small amounts of carbon dust. Up next, we've got Uranus. Uranus rotates the opposite way of Earth and is known as the ice giant. Only one spacecraft has ever flown by. Finishing up is the 8th planet called Neptune. It is obviously the most distant from the Sun and has 14 moons. Triton is the frozen world that is spewing nitrogen, ice, and dust particles out from below itself, which is the most interesting of the 14 moons. Overall, I hope that you have enjoyed learning all about the planets and the unique characteristics for each.